Our next eminent speaker is the Mayor of Alton, where we are holding this event, Councillor Titterington. Alton is the home to Hadithul Mahdi, as I mentioned, our Jalsa side, and we are honoured to have Graham join us today. It gives me great pleasure to welcome him and invite him to come and say a few words.
Your Holiness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people of Alton, I'd like to welcome you to your annual convention. This is in fact the 14th annual convention that has been held on this site, and I say once again, you are most welcome. The world needs more people who are committed to loving everyone, to serving those who are in need or in poverty, through charitable works based on the faith in God. Indeed, charitable works that are not based on faith are rarely sustainable. You set a brilliant example to the world and indeed contribute to these very necessary works. I would like to wish you all a very enjoyable convention, one that will bring you all refreshment, encouragement and enlightenment, so that when you leave here, you can go back to your work, go back to your mission with a renewed sense of purpose and a mission for the future. Thank you all very much.